Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am outside of Marshall's. I was gonna say inside, but I'm going in. So if you guys are interested in seeing what we can see in here, then stay tuned. Oh, look at this. Hoots the Interactive Owl from FAO Swartz. That is so cute. It is $49.99. They also have the foot keyboard like that for $39.99. And what is this? Oh, a wood fire station playset. And that is $24.99. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. It's a mug set. How much is that? I don't see a price on that, but that's cute. Oh, look at this one, a DJ mixer mat. That is really cute too. I would actually think about getting this one for Pooh Bear, but I don't see. Oh, these are only $39.99. That is so cool. It is boot season, so let's see what they have. Oh, these are cute. I like these. I think those are Mark Fisher for $99. Michael Kors. Those are $149. Oh, these are cute. The little tie up the back. Gigi Soho for $25. And then here's the booties. What are these? $39. Those are Tommy Hilfiger. Impo. Not sure about that one. Fry. How much are those? $69. $69 for those. These are like a chocolate brown. Those are pretty. Oh, this style looks really comfortable. Look at that, with the little band on the side. What are these? These are Cloud Steppers. Those look comfortable. How much are those? $34.99. Rock and Candy for $29. I like the style of that one. Totes for $39.99. Oh, I like these. Now these are super cute, but it just does not get that cold or rainy in California for me to buy these. But I would definitely rock those. And they are $99. I like those. Okay, these are interesting. I like the colors on it, but I just don't like the style of that. Very different. $19.99 for those. Oh, I like these. I love that color. Look at these. Ooh. What are these? $49.99. I might come back and get these. I really like that color. It's like a burnt orange or something, but I definitely like the orange and the brown. Oh, they got some cute Christmas sweaters. $19.99. Tic Tac mistletoe. Look at this one with the big old penguin on the front. This one says naughty and nice. You can change it to say nice. That's cute. This one is super cute. It's like an ugly Christmas sweater with a tinsel on it, and it says Merry Christmas for $19. This one has an actual Santa Claus head attached to it, so you can put it on like a hoodie. That would be kind of creepy. I don't know about that. What the front look like? Oh goodness. But that's funny. By Poof. Oh, this is a cute skirt. I like that. That's too cute. $19.99. Oh, I stumbled across this hat and it's so cute. It has eggnog cartons on it, but the only thing is it looks like it is broke or something, like the light up feature to it is messed up. But if I can find another one of these, I will get it. It's $5.99. I think this is so cute. Here's another one. This clutch is pretty. Oh, look at that. I don't know if that's Foley and Karina, but this is kind of cute. It looks dangerous, but it's cute for $49. Look at that. And that's a little handle, little furry handle for $24. Actually considering getting this right here just because I need a little bag to carry and I get tired of carrying a purse, so I need another backpack. So I'm thinking about this one right now, and it is $34.99. It says vegan leather, if I can get it on. Yeah, I kind of like this, but I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm over here by the makeup, and let's take a look and see what they have. Becca foundation in lots of different colors, dark golden, deep bronze. These are $12.99. Let's see, dark golden and deep bronze, and that's it. So this is what I decided to purchase, the 2 boxes of the cute cards, and yes, I chose this backpack. I did not want to leave without it. I think it's really cute and it'll go with everything. So that was it for my quick walkthrough of Marshalls. Thank you guys all for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.